If you like a juicy peach smell, get this. This is amazing. I love this, okay? A must-have. So grab this, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, this is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video and review. And today we are going to have, I think this is my first Target haul. Maybe? I don't know. But if you're interested in seeing some of the things that I got from Target, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you are new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but it's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you, and share this video. I would love for some new family members to join. A lot of family members to join, you know, just saying. But hey, family. Hey, welcome back, family. I hope you all are doing well. Hi, sis, brothers, cousins, auntie, uncles, grandma, grandparents, all the things, Hi, family. I hope you all are doing so well. Well, we're going to get right into it. I believe this is my first Target haul. I guess maybe a Target haul I can remember. I have a lot of products. Target, you is booming. You are booming and busting and booming. So Tree Hut came out with a lot of products. And I have also Solitaire, what I've heard so much about with body wash. So we're going to get into the things and share my thoughts, okay, with you, family. So first we have, you know, she got to be first. She got to be queen. She the queen, okay? So the new Vanilla Tree Hut Scrub. And you already know I had to get two. What you said, vanilla? Huh? Sign me up. Like, the vanilla, y'all know how I feel about vanilla. I can't even talk. Y'all know how I feel about vanilla. Now, I will say, this is a very light vanilla, okay? So this is not your cake vanilla that is just like so prominent. But to me, I love that there is a vanilla scrub, okay? Because you can layer this with so many different things. So many different layering combinations you can do with this. And again, this is not a heavy vanilla. So this almost kind of gives you like the effect that the new Fenty Butter Drop gave you all or gave us, and it was a very light vanilla. This is kind of similar, but if you were doing a layering combination, maybe the vanillas can get together and, you know, boost up the vanilla scent, maybe. I don't know. But to me, I had to grab this. It doesn't matter. I didn't care if it was a prominent smell or not. Like, I had to get this. So glad I have the new Vanilla Tree Hut Scrub. I will come back and report back to you all on just my thoughts and how does it test in the shower. I'm just showing you all just what I picked up, okay? Moving on to Peach Sherbet. Now this one, I had to get another one. I had to get another one of these. She ain't here yet, but this one, when I tell you, peach must be the new thing, because peach is there. Everybody's coming out with the peach. Everybody is coming out with this peach, and honey, this can go so well with a lot of the different peach scents I have. I'm gonna have to do a peach layering combination for you all, because like I said, I have a lot of peach items now, even in fragrances. So I'm gonna have to give that to you, family. But this, Honey, the peach is peaching. This is a juicy peach. This is good. If you don't get nothing else from their new scrub, if you like a juicy peach smell, get this. This is amazing. I love this, okay? A must-have. A must-have. So grab this, okay? Moving on. Next up, I got the Blue Lagoon. And let me tell you, I feel like, well, maybe it's a different one, but I feel like I have this or had this. I feel like this is not new, but maybe this is. Let me know down below if this is new or not. Now, what I thought I was going to get from this is not what I got from this. So I probably should have watched some reviews. This is definitely a very ocean smelling, but it's definitely unisex. This gives me unisex vibes, so I feel like a man can get this, but it's very soapy to me. It's oceany, but it's like really soapy. So it's a very clean, soapy smell. Like the soapy is very prominent in this. Yeah, it's soapy. I'm sorry, I had to look at her because I'm just like, yeah. I was thinking like Blue Lagoon. I thought I was gonna get more of a coconut smell. I think that's what I was hoping for, or thought I was gonna get, and I didn't get any coconut, any like palm tree, like island type of smell. Like, you know, Bath and Body Works, we just talked about the beach weather. I thought I was gonna get something like the beach weather, the coconut, the, you know, island and no coconut, you know, I thought I was gonna get something like that. This is soap. So this is not my favorite, I will say, okay? This is not my favorite. Definitely get your nose on this because this might not be your favorite either. But if you want a soap smell, cool. I think I would wear this more for like a bedtime scent, like a chill, relaxing night. But this would not be something that I would like go try to get ready and use.
I don't like this.
Nah, this wasn't my favorite, but okay, moving on. Next up, Tree Hut came with some foaming gel wash. Excuse me. They came out with some of these, and this is the Hydrate and Glow one. This is the watermelon. Now, I do have the watermelon scrub, so I'm hoping that I can pair this together, and maybe that watermelon will be prominent. Now, I will say, you all know I have sensitive skin. I don't know if this is going, I feel like this might break me out or not do as well. This to me reminds me of the Bath and Body Works shower gel that I can't use. It kind of gives me, because of the gel, that, but I'm so hoping I don't have to break out because it smells so good and very watermelon. It's so prominent. I love the smell, so I'm hoping that I won't break out, but we'll see. We will get into it. I will test it. I will come back and report back, but I'm hoping it won't be like the Bath and Body Works shower gel. Let me know if you've already tested this, and if it's the same, maybe you can stop me.
Don't do that.
So let me know, okay? I'm kind of scared. But this is the watermelon one. I also wanted to show you how it came packaging. So I picked this up in store, and so they put this Target sticker on top of it so it wouldn't, you know, come out or whatever. Because sometimes with shower gels or any gel-like thing, you know, it could seep out of the packaging. So I'm glad that they kind of put that protector on. Love that. But this is the Coco and Colada, and this is the Radiant and Refresh one, okay? Now, I do have I feel like it's the body butter of this. I don't know if I have a scrub. I think I have the scrub of this. So I think I have the scrub and the body butter of this scent. Yes, okay? So I feel like I can do like maybe a layering combination, see what that scene, you know, is like. So this has pineapple and coconut in it, it seems. Again, I'm just hoping that this doesn't break me out, but let's open this and just, well, look, honey, Now, when the packaging ain't even letting you open this up, technical difficulties, please hold. Okay, we're back. Now this is also very a prominent scent. So I'm just hoping, y'all, I'm really hoping that these will do well on my skin. I don't know. So we'll test it. We'll see. And then I have the Moroccan Rose. Okay, it has this protection thing over it. But this, honey, this in the scrub, I've already told you all. This was a part of my Delina combination, the rose combination that I got that big compliment from. This, now that they have a shower gel, oh, so the shower gel with the scrub with the Zara, oh, I can't think of it off the top of my head, but the Zara Rose fragrance, and then the Delina Parfums de Marly combination. Y'all, we're gonna get our life. Okay, so this is Pampered and Indulge. Okay, so this is the pampering one. I cannot wait to experience this, all right? This came off a little bit easier than that last one, but oh, so nice. Okay, the smell is beautiful. So if you like a rose scent, you would probably need to like a rose scent. If you don't like a rose scent, you probably not gonna like this, because it says rose. Okay. But I can't wait to test this. So this will be good. All right. Moving on. We have Solitaire. I have heard about her and them and everything. Like, this has been very hyped up. So I am looking forward to experiencing this. So I got Pink Beach. All right. Let me quickly smell. I can't really smell it. I'm making a mess. Of course, I'm making a mess, but I can't really smell it. I hope this is worth the hype. Well, I will report back, but I can't smell it out of the cap. But this is Pink Beach, and it came dented. Look at that. So I'm not a fan of that. And then also, like, the packaging, it came all, yeah, this wasn't all that packaging wise coming to me, Target, but we'll test out and we will see how we feeling, because right now, smelling through cap, Tree Hut beating you. Okay, listen. All right, next up we have Exotic Pulp. So this is in the orange. Now this packaging, I love the packaging. It actually reminds me of this banana body wash that I really love with the packaging. Oh, I can smell this one. Oh. Ooh, that smells really good. Okay, so through cap, I can really smell this, and it's messy, but oh, wow. It does smell brightening, very orange, very citrus, but I do smell it. It definitely has a fruit in this. This is really good. Okay, I love the smell of this. Now, Pink Beach, I couldn't smell her, but we'll test her out. But just wanted to show you all, this is how it came boxed up from Target, because I could not get this in store at my Target that's near me, which is not surprising because my Target is not the bomb and it doesn't carry a lot of the products that are hype around the streets. But I ended up getting the Seascape. Okay, I've heard about this one, and so I'm going to again test her out for you all. Ooh, I do. Ooh. Oh, wow. Now I love the Seascape. Wow. Ooh, I'm probably going to use this one first. This one is really good. Oh my goodness. So this gives me it gives me a clean, but it also gives me kind of like a candy scent, like a candy clean, fresh type of scent. Oh, this is really good. So this is very sweet. Oh, I love this. I didn't think I was going to like that, but okay. And then I got the Santal balloon. Now, honey, what this smell like? What this smell like? Oh. Ooh. Oh, this smells like a fragrance too. Oh, this smells like a fragrance. Oh, this smells like kind of like sandalwoody. Ooh, this is good. Ooh, yes. This almost gives me like that sandalwood and shea butter from Native that I really enjoyed. Ooh, but this is kind of a little sweeter than that. This gives me a little sweeter vibe than that Native one. But, oh, wow. I do love this. So, if I were to just out of the cap, this would be 1. This would be 2. This would be 3. And I can't smell this out the cap. So, this definitely 4. I'm kind of scared of the pink one. And I thought the pink one was going to be really sweet. But, that's what it is. Well, that is all, family. What? That is all, family. That is all from my Target haul. Do you all have some of these products? Are you planning on getting some of these products? I will report back to you on like the feels and the thrills, and if there are thrills or if there are fails, because, just smelling something out of a cap or not doesn't really kind of give you like, will you really enjoy it? Because to me, with a body wash, like for me, what I'm looking for is I am looking for something that hydrates my skin, that feels good and foams on my skin. I love a lather, okay? If I don't have a lather in a bath wash or a shower gel, what are you serve me no point. Like, there is no point. Why are you in my shower?
Who are you and what are you doing here?
Like, I feel like there has to be a lather with a body wash. Like, that's why you're a body wash. Anyway, with the scrub, now we all know, well, we don't all know, I can't assume that, but Tree Hut scrubs are really good, okay? They work really well. So it's really the scent and the Blue Lagoon, that ain't what I want. I don't know, but I'm going to try to test it still. I'm going to give it a go and see that maybe if it will work different or smell different or perform different in the shower. Because I don't want to write it off before I really try it. So I do want to try it and then report back to you, family. I'm sorry if you hear a motorcycle. Disrespectful. But I want to really get into it, report back to you, and report back to you my thoughts. But let me know at the bottom, would you like to see more of this or like a review of any of these products? Let me know. Comment down below. Give me the thumbs up. Of course, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Would love for you to join this family. And until next time, family, you all be good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yo, sis just did. All right, family. I love you. Bye, family. Bye.